You should mind your body language and try to maintain good eye contact. Smile and avoid crossing your arms, as this may send wrong and negative signal during the meeting. Hi fam, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl Queen Chilemanya, and this is Chilemanya Empire. To my returning subscribers, you know that I love and appreciate you a whole lot. Please, if you're new here, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my videos so that other people will benefit from it. Drop your feelings down in the comment section, and please turn on your bell notification icon so that you can get notified whenever I post new video. Today we'll be discussing an interesting topic: how to win the heart of your partner's parents on the first meeting. How to win the heart of your partner's parents on the very first meeting. It's always a craved and exciting moment for us. When our relationship gets to that certain point, one partner decides to meet with the parents or family members of the other partner. To the women, it's a craved, exciting and special moment for us. But beneath the whole excitement lies the fear of rejection and disapproval by the partner's parents or family members. In this video, I will be sharing with you exactly what to do and what not to do in order to win the heart of your partner's parents and family members right from the first day of meeting with them. So without wasting much time, let's dive into today's video. You know, first impression matters in everything that we do. And I understand that meeting with your partner's parents for the first time can be a very big step in a relationship. Therefore, here are the do's and the don'ts that can help you make a good impression and win their hearts all to yourself right from the very first day of meeting with them. Let's start with the do's. Do's number 1, be real. Be original. Be yourself. I don't know who you want to be if you don't want to be yourself. Be authentic. Authenticity is very important. It is unique. It is priceless. I cannot overemphasize the importance of being authentic. Show your true personality. If you're a shy person, let them see that you're a shy person. Don't try to be under the influence of alcohol or drugs just to be bold, because it will fail you. Try to do you, be real, and you will be amazed that they will love you for being real and original. Fact. Do's number 2, dress decently. Appropriate dressing is very important. Remember the saying that how you dress is how you will be addressed. So remember to dress exactly how you want to be addressed and received. Don't forget you are going to meet the people that matters to you. You don't want to be judged by your outfit. Even if you are used to skimpy clothes, I know that you know that that is not good for that occasion. So choose an outfit that is respectful and good for that occasion. It mustn't be suit and tie. It can be traditional wear, it can be casual wear, it can be any type of dressing. But just make sure that it is respectful and good for that occasion so that you can be on the road to making that first impression. Do's number 3, get a small gift while going. Bring along a small gift. A thoughtful gesture like flower, a bottle of wine, or anything that relates to their interests can do the magic. Now you can run this through your partner to know the kind of gifts his or her family will love and appreciate. I tell you, these alone can make a positive impression when you arrive. Do's number 4, Show good manners. Be polite. Be respectful. Say please and thank you when you should. And please, I am begging you. Be mindful of their household rules and custom, just to be on the safe side during the first meeting. Do's number 5. Engage in conversation. Be free to ask them questions about themselves, and while they talk, pay attention and show interest in their story. I tell you this, actively listening to them can help to build a connection between you and them. Please take note of this. Do's number 6. Express your appreciation. Be grateful for their hospitality, whether it's a meal or simply their time. Let them know that you appreciate them a whole lot. And I tell you, these can go a long way in making that first impression positive. Do's number 7. Be on time. Be punctual. Punctuality shows them that you respect their time and that you value the meeting. These can be the starting point of making a positive impression for them. Do's number 8. Offer to help. If you are at their home, offer to help in some chores like setting the table, clearing the dishes, and so on. This is a polite gesture that can be appreciated. Trust me. Do's number 9. Maintain good body language. You should mind your body language and try to maintain good eye contact. Smile and avoid crossing your arms, as this may send wrong and negative signal during the meeting. So these are the things that you should do during that first meeting with your partner's parents. But even when the do's are very important, believe me when I tell you that the don'ts are even more important, because it can land you into the trouble of misconception. Now, the don'ts. Don'ts number 1. Don't overshare. Don't overshare too much of information. Don't share too much of information about yourself. While it is important to be open, avoid discussing overly personal or controversial topics like football, politics, or religion, unless they bring them up and you are comfortable discussing them. If not, avoid it. Don'ts number 2. Minimize PDA. Try to avoid or minimize PDA. Now, what is PDA? PDA means public display of affection. PDA should be minimal. Holding hands or a light touch might be okay, but anything more than that during that first meeting can make others uncomfortable, and you wouldn't want something like that. Don'ts number 3. Don't arrive late. Don't be late for any reason. Arriving late can start the meeting on a bad note and leave a negative first impression about you. I don't think that is what you want on that day. Don'ts number 4. Don't overshadow the discussion. Try not to dominate the discussion. Make sure the conversation flows naturally and everybody has a chance to speak. Don't try to overshadow, interrupt, or talk over others, for these can leave a wrong footprint. Don'ts number 5. Avoid criticism. Try not to criticize or judge anything about their home, food, or opinion, even if it is different from what you are used to. If you do that, you'll be spoiling things for yourself. Don'ts number 6. Don't stick to your phone. Focus on the people you are with. Constantly checking your phone can seem disrespectful to them and connotes disengagement in their minds. So don't do that. Don'ts number 7. Avoid getting drunk. If alcohol is involved, drink in moderation. You want to stay in total control to present your best self. So take note of this and don't get drunk for any reason. Don'ts number 8. Avoid sensitive topics. Stay clear of subjects like ex relationship, finances, or any topic that could cause tension during that first meeting. I beg you. Number 9, don't be fake. Yes, don't impersonate. Don't pretend to be someone you're not. And let me just tell you this for free. Trying so hard to impress them can come off as insincere or a person that is covering something. So don't do that. Okay, following these tips can help you win the heart of your partner's parents and family members and leave them wanting more of you. So fam, I hope that this video is able to prepare you for that first meeting with your partner's parents. So go ahead and honor that invitation with all readiness. Having said this, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button to support your girl now. Like and share my videos so that other people will benefit from it. Drop your feelings down in the comment section so that we can teach, learn and grow together. Please feel free to drop any topic that you want us to discuss or talk about down in the comment section and I will gladly work on it. Finally, don't forget to turn on your bell notification icon to be abreast with new videos. Thank you so much for following me on this journey. Thank you so much for watching my videos. See you in my next video. For now, bye! How to win the heart of your partner's parents. A certain point, one partner desire to see certain points, one partner decides to meet with the but beneath the whole excitement lies the fear, but being as parents or family members. Exactly what to do and what not to do, just to make it, and what not to do, to make, let them know that you are a shy person. Don't try to be in an dress decently. You are going to see the part as insincere, or a person that is covering something, or a person that is covering something, or a person that is covering something, and honor that meeting with it all ready. Finally, turn on. Having said this, can help to build, try to maintain a good eye contact. So these are the do's. So these are the do's. Holding hands or a light touch can be allowed, can be okay, even if it is not, even if it is different. Number 6. Moment for us. Anytime, exactly what to do and what not to do, just to make it, first. Therefore, here as a therefore in an do's. Number 1, be real. So don't forget, so remember to dress exactly how you want to be addressed to you. The people that will be available, the people that remember. So you do not want to be misinterpreted. You do not want to be misjudged. You do not want to be judged by the wrong outfit. So that will more likely that the parents can love and appreciate. Now, know the kind of gifts his or her family or his, to know the kind. Now you can run this and pay attention. So pay attention and let them talk.